Actually, I am a beginner and every day I am watching so many videos to improve this language. And in each videos, they are telling that to improve this language, I have to study LSRW as I am a beginner, and because of that, I am not able to get that how to learn LSRW, how to study LSRW, and how to start learning LSRW. If you also have this same question, then today's video is going to be helpful for all of you. So without skipping this video, just be with me till the end of this video. So whatever I am going to tell you to do in this video, you have to do that for 21 days. Why I am saying this to do it for 21 days? It is just because I have heard from somewhere that if you do consistently something for 21 days, it becomes your habit. And because of that, you have to study whatever I am going to tell you for 21 days. So let's start from listening. As we do know that how we learn our mother tongue. Actually, we listen to our mother tongue for 2 years and then we will be able to speak our mother tongue, right? We do know that how we learn our mother tongue. But as we have become adult and we do not need to listen to this language for 2 years, we just need few months and then we can easily speak this language. But what should we listen? See, I always say that you should listen to that which you are able to get. As I would watch Sumita Roy ma'am's videos, and I also suggest you that you should also watch her videos. You are not going to get only correct English from her, but also motivation from her. She always motivates student. So just search for her videos and watch her old videos. I would only watch her videos. I was able to get her language. See, she not only speaks correct English but also understandable English. You must watch her videos every day, at least for you have to do it for 21 days every day. But make sure that you are listening to her videos only in the morning, early in the morning, at 4, at 5, at 6. You should not listen to her videos in a day because we have so many distraction. Because I would watch her videos early in the morning at 5 or 30 past 5, I do remember that. But every day I did listen to her videos, and from her videos I learned so much. So first thing which you have to do, that is listen to Sumita Roy ma'am's videos every day for 21 days. You have to do it. Second thing, that is speaking. Whatever we are listening, we just need to imitate because we are beginner and we are not able to make sentences. So see, this process you have to do after learning grammar. I have said that how much grammar you have to learn. So after learning grammar, you have to do it for 21 days. So what to speak? Whatever we are listening, whatever we are hearing in English, we just need to imitate all those things. See, you just do not need to speak fastly. Go gradually, speak slowly, and try to get what you are speaking. Do not make haste. You are beginner. You need to understand that you are beginner and you are not able to speak so fast. You need to speak slowly. Try to remember what did you listen to in the morning and speak. If you are able to speak 3 4 words, that is also enough. But speak. You need to utter something from your mouth, but in English language. You do not need to watch any other videos. If you do watch others video to improve your spoken English, that is also okay. But watch only one person's video. So speak whatever you are listening to. If you are able to speak for 2 3 minutes, that is also okay, that is also enough. But just speak. So now what you need to read. If you are thinking to read newspaper, then remove this thought from your mind. You need to understand that you are beginner, you are not able to get sophisticated words. In newspaper, you would only get sophisticated words. So always read that which you are able to get. I have told that what should you read. But if still you are not able to get what should you read, then I suggest that you should read 12th standard book. You do not need to read all the chapter. Take any one chapter and read only that chapter for 21 days. Only one chapter. But without missing a single day, read regularly. Same chapter. Read again and again. And whenever you come across those words which you are unaware of, learn all those words. That's how you can enrich your vocabulary even. Now, what should you write? So, whatever you are reading, just write that. Every day, one page for 21 days. Every day, whatever you are reading. Today, if you are reading a small passage, you just need to write down that passage. Every day, one page you have to write. It helps you to enrich your vocabulary, to understand how language is written, and when you see same words, same sentences again and again, then you would be able to remember what you have read, what you have written. So that's how you can start studying your LSRW. During that period when I was improving my spoken English, I did the same. I had followed all these things, whatever I have said in this video. I did the same. I got up early in the morning at 4 and I did study my LSRW. I gave at least half an hour to each of these topics. Yes, as a beginner, I was not able to speak this language, but yes, I tried to make small sentences. So, whatever I am telling you to do, you just need to follow all those things. Just study LSRW honestly, and within a 21 days, you would be able to see result after studying like this. So, just give your 2 hours to your LSRW every day. See, it is not hard to give 2 hours every day. Just get up early in the morning and give your 2 hours and start improving your spoken English. So that's how you can start improving your spoken English. If you like my video, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for watching my video.